When it comes to Keno, you've probably heard about winning patterns. But do these patterns actually work? Most Keno patterns are based on previous draws or personal preferences. But because every draw is random, there's no proven pattern that can consistently predict future results. One of the most popular ways to play Keno is by using number clusters. Instead of picking random spots, players group their numbers into specific shapes or layouts on the Keno card. The idea is that if winning numbers appear close together, these patterns might cover them more effectively. Some of the best-known cluster patterns include 4 by 5 corners, top half 6, and a 5-spot line. While these patterns are popular and can make choosing numbers more organized, they don't actually improve your mathematical odds. Every draw is still completely random, regardless of how your numbers are arranged. Beyond cluster layouts, some players prefer hot numbers. These are numbers that have appeared more often in previous draws. Others go with cold numbers, hoping they might finally come up. However, there's no evidence that either approach improves your chances. A common choice is playing consecutive numbers, while others rely on birthdays, anniversaries, or other lucky numbers. Another common approach is multi-card play, where several different tickets are played in the same draw. This covers more number combinations, but it also increases the total cost of each round. At the end of the day, these methods simply offer different ways to play Keno, but none has been proven to consistently outperform random selection. If you enjoy using patterns, there's no harm in it. Just remember that Keno is, and always will be, a game of chance.